Dear parents, you are informed that our annual program will be held in next month. So we are glad to inform you that our program list has been ready. Ramp Walk program has been enlisted in our program list, but with a twist. Twist is that your baby will not perform alone. His or her mother have to take participate in her with her ward. Interested mummies are requested to come forward and take part in the program. Ramp Walk program is quite familiar to our old parents, but for our new parents, I want to say that please visit to our school website or contact with the school. Parents are requested please come forward and join us with enthusiasm and make our program successful. Thank you.